Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of 3 salads with you. All of these salads are low carb, so you're absolutely going to love them. 2 of these are keto, so you are going to love them even more. You can eat it with any kind of protein of your choice, and let's go ahead and see how I make it. So here I have some jowar millet, and this is a fresh grain, so it's seasonal, and whenever it comes in the winter months we want to get it. So you want to lightly roast them on the pan. If you don't have it, you can buy any other whole millet, soak it overnight and cook it in a pressure cooker. Now once mine is roasted, I have added some pickle oil. So it is a spicy tangy pickle of raw mango, and that oil, leftover oil, I've added to this. If you don't have this, just add some lemon juice. The other flavoring that I need for this is a chutney that I'm making. So you can see I'm putting some dry red chilies, garlic, and a lot of dry coconut. Add salt and grind all of this together, and you have this delicious chutney to go with everything. Especially it will go well with this. Now I've served the millets. I'm adding some raw onions. The chutney you can add as much as you want. Along with that, I'm adding some tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves, and this is save. So this is made from chickpea flour, which is deep fried. You can leave it out, but it adds that crunch, and you can easily buy this in an Indian store. Here is my second salad. What I'm doing here is I have this chili marinated tempeh, and I am frying that in a little bit of olive oil. Now if you don't have a marinated one, you can always add some sriracha, and here at the base I'm using kimchi, and I'm just going to simply top it with the tempeh. And this is such a perfect vegan meal if you can eat a lot of kimchi, a lot of tempeh. Both are fermented, and one is full of vitamins and minerals and the other is full of protein. So this is a great source of protein as well as fiber and minerals and probiotics. Now we're going to make an avocado dressing, in which we have added 1 whole avocado, 7 to 8 large cashews, a couple of cloves of garlic, lemon juice, salt, olive oil, and now I'm going to blend this. And according to how thick you want, you can add water to this. If you're keto and you like cream or sour cream, you can add that, or even hung curd works well. Now this is the consistency I want. I'm giving it a taste, and I think the taste was perfect. Here are some strawberries that I've chopped. So I want to make it slightly sweet and tangy and creamy. I'm going to chop some raw onions again, because we love raw onions, or I rather love raw onions. This is a tomato. I'm going to cut that into slivers, but I'm also getting rid of the seeds. So I just take it to the sink and kind of squeeze it and try to get rid of the seeds as much as possible. You can do a better job. A lot of times I make sure that I also take off the peel. So I have a mixed bag of baby lettuce that I'm using. It's washed, and I've added some lentils to this. So these are pre-cooked, red or the brown lentils. I soak and cook my lentils in the pressure cooker. On top of that, I have added onions, strawberries, my dressing. I've added a mix of nuts, so almonds and walnuts, and that's also a perfect combination. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell right next to it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the recipes. We'll try these out. Let me know about the first salad that I shared with you. I want to know what you think and whether you tried the recipe out, and thanks for watching. Bye.